Lolwe County Lolwe County Makisumu ni jopur County Makisumu bende koro ijiwo mondo opidh kothe manyalo timo maber kata mana kinde mag oro. Maendi en jipo mabende ogol kod Governor County Makisumu Ngire Anyang' Nyong'o. Koloso kinde mabende no yawa yanga project noero mar Trends Micro Projects boma noero Makisumu. Ngire Nyong'o owacho ni duol noero mar KCSAP osechiwo milion 65.6 ne grube mag jopur makwan ginyalo romo 191 kowacho ni chenro makamano ero bende biro konyo ting'o malo weche mag pur kod yudo chiemo makare Lolwe County ni Makisumu.
Project. The Minister for Finance and I would like to see the impact of that money, which is not small, not small money, in not only the size of output in agriculture, in terms of the number of poultry grown, the eggs produced, and the reduction in the dependency on imported goods or food from outside, like she said. I think that's very important. These funds going towards funding agriculture and making sure that this investment in agriculture has results is something that I am personally interested in, and we shall definitely send out our monitoring and evaluation teams to work with you in your own farms and bring us results, that what you are saying today corresponds with what they see, so that we can make assurance double sure. The project has therefore come at the right time because, as you may be aware, agriculture accounts for 24% of the national gross domestic product, which simply means that agriculture accounts for the total amount of wealth produced in this country every year. Everything counted, 24% goes to agriculture. Another 26% indirectly through manufacturing and agro-processing. Agriculture too is a source of substantial input to our manufacturing and agro-processing. Otherwise, United Millers would not be here milling grain. That grains comes from somewhere. Otherwise, the Ugandans would not be coming to the rice belt to get rice, take back to Uganda, manufacture it, and then that figure enters into the GDP of East Africa. I've asked Gilchrist to come. We gave him a whopping 30 million shillings to buy a rice mill. Have you bought it?
It's on the way, sir.
Ah, that's not very good. It should be here. And we begin packaging rice sold in the supermarkets of Kenya, labeled a hero rice. Are we together? Yes. So I want by January next year to see in the supermarkets of Kisumu city in particular, Carrefour, Tumaini, Nini, a hero rice. We are tired of just seeing Mwea rice, Mwea rice. We need a hero rice. By the way, the Nyando Basin has the potential of having the largest land surface producing rice in Kenya. You can no longer expand Mwea rice scheme, but this one you can expand. Yeah. So we need a rice mill, another rice mill bigger than the one put there by the National Irrigation Board, our own, at a cost of 30 million shillings. He has the money, he's importing it. By October, he says, we shall be producing rice.
Yes, sir.
So Sami, make sure that you are on this fellow's back.